Hello everyone, today I want to tell you how to implement simple data table like this in React.js. See this, you can able to filter like this, filter the year also, and it contains paginations. Right now it is showing 20, you can change this to 10, then pagination will work because I have only 13 list. See this is perfect, and you can able to search. I just searching this movie, just paste that. See, it is showing like this. If I search like this means it will display it's like there are no records to display because it's not matching with our array by using this React data table component. So first we need to install this, copy. In my case I already installed and I'm going to use this data set. Okay, first I'm going to import that data table from, paste that, and I'm going to remove this. We imported that, and I'm going to use that npm package here. Just we need to pass a props like title. We need to give one title for that. It's like movie, and another one is columns, and we need to pass data. Right now I just passed this data. At the end I'll show you the filter data. Okay, and custom style because we're going to give some different color to this. See, right now it's empty. I'll show you. And also we required pagination, this one, and this is fine. And first I'm going to create one column, const, this is columns. It should be array, and this array contains object with the name of that column. Name will be like title, and we need to pass selector is row dot this title. Okay, and final one is sortable is true. Okay, yep, now our one column is ready. Just duplicate this for one more time, and we need to add a comma here, and this is year, and this is also the year. Now our column is ready. I just copy that and just passing here. Before applying style, I just comment this line and I'll show you the view. See, this is what our right now our current view. We have filter and we have pagination. See, this is working as we expected. Yep, everything is working fine. Right now I'm just going to apply style to this header, and this is head cell and this is cells. Okay, so now I'm going to create a custom style. Copy that, const, paste that. It should be a object. Inside object I will create one more, and it is header colon and this one, and here I just add a style, and it is also an object. Here I'm going to add a font size will be like 2rem, and color just give green. Okay, yep, fine. We need to pass this here. Right now see, this color is changed. I just change the name, I mean put that M as uppercase. See, right now this is fine, and I just give only font size and color. Right now I'm going to apply style for header cell, head cell. Okay, head cells, save this, and we need to add a comma here. Now see, color is applying this place too, and I just change this to 1rem 1.5. okay, this will be like black. I don't give any color for this. Yep, great. And after that I want to create one more is for cells. Small c. See, style is applied. This will be like 1rem You just apply style like this, and filter is working here too. And if you don't want that filter, you just comment this line, or otherwise you just give false. Yep, and see right now this year filter is not showing, right? Yep, now everything is working fine. And now I want to add a search box here, so that I want to add a input field. Input field required name, search, value, and we need to create one state for this. Const value, set value, use state is imported here. Okay, use state imported here. This value it's like empty, and I just copy this and we'll just pass value here too, because our state name is also value. And on change e dot, just set the direct value e dot target dot value and save this. Right now our search field is ready, and if I search like this it won't work. And I'm just going to use this here. I'm going to create one const variable. It's like filter data, and here I'm going to filter the value, I mean this data. Okay, so that if I want to do this means I need to do after this, because this data is present here, so we are going to use this. So we need to create next to this dot filter val. Here I'm going to find val dot this title. Any user search this title, and it should be to lowercase. That's converting to lowercase dot includes, and I'm just passing this value here, dot to lowercase. It will convert our text to lowercase. Okay, now this is ready. Just copy that, and instead of passing this direct data, I just passing this one. See, I just remove this. Right now it will display each and everything. See, and if I find just trying to find this one. Okay, see, filter is working, and yep, everything is working fine. If I type unnecessary text, it won't work. Yep, I think this is what I try to tell in this video. You can also give background color to this here, and it should be caps and gray. Save this. See, it's working. Just give some light color also. Just give E0, E0, E0. This will be like light gray color. Yep. Yeah. This data table is working like whatever we expect. Yep. This is what I tried to tell in this video. I think this video will help you. Bye bye.